100 English words that start with T. Listen and repeat for beginners.
Time for tea, Mike?
Totally, Myra.
Today we're teaching you 100 words, all starting with the letter T.
T for try, trust, and talk.
And T for think, thank, and touch.
Just listen
Repeat with us.
and train your tongue for smoother English.
Let's begin.
Listen and repeat.
Table,
Table,
tail,
tail,
take,
take,
talk,
talk,
tall,
tall,
taste,
taste,
teach,
teach,
teacher,
teacher,
team,
team,
tier.
tier. Terrific start.
Let's keep going. Technical,
Technical,
telephone,
telephone,
television,
television,
tell,
tell,
temperature,
temperature,
10,
10,
tend,
10,
term,
term,
terrible,
terrible,
test,
test.
doing great,
Keep repeating.
text,
Text,
thank,
thank,
thanks,
thanks,
that,
that,
the,
the,
there,
there,
them,
them,
theme,
theme,
then,
then,
theory,
theory. Halfway there.
stay strong. There,
There,
these,
these,
they,
they,
thick,
thick,
thin,
thin,
thing,
thing,
think,
think,
third,
third,
thirsty,
thirsty,
this.
this.
You're doing amazing.
Let's keep talking.
Those,
Those,
though,
though,
thought,
thought,
thousand,
thousand,
threat,
threat,
three,
three,
throw,
throw,
ticket,
ticket,
tie,
tie,
tight.
tight. Almost there.
Final words coming. Till,
Till,
time,
time,
tiny,
tiny,
title,
title.
two,
Two,
today,
today,
together,
together,
tomorrow,
tomorrow.
tone,
Tone,
tongue.
tongue. That's it. 100 terrific T words.
Repeat them daily.
And your tongue will thank you.
Subscribe to English Podcast.
For tips, tricks, and tons of words.
Keep talking.
And keep trusting your practice.
See you next time.